Barukwemeka President omusya awa Lions Club, Governor wa Lions Club awa district ya 11B nagirangwa abantu abarukwenda ubuhwezi nibingi nuko kushaba barukwebasa okwatanisa hamwe okubahwera.
Health care, diabetes management and control, pediatric cancer, cancer in children, hunger, feeding the hungry, environmental protection, services for the youth, Kabana Maribaho.
So Lions Club ne yamba abana bato because we rob ntureba cancer nejezo kuteganisa abana bato wenu karanism twayikwata tukayamba ekintu nk'ekyo tukareba ngo tuteka amakasete mu cancer clinics abantu bakafuna embaze tari y'ebicukuri. Really it really supports the generation, the new generation.
President omusyotori nwe Joshua Namanya ashabire bamembo okwatanisa bakayikiriza ebyenerwa bya Karabeji.
Promoting our club, our way, especially our member satisfaction and welfare. It is very, very important. We have to work for the satisfaction of the welfare of all members. Following the core service areas of Lionism and the district.
On 15th June 2024, Mkashanga Karabeji eine Lions igani 19 reported. Najisiga eine members bibirabiri nomwe.
Aba bakiri n'abamemba basya kandi babasha gukora televiziyo bya Karabeji gasha kwa nitatukunda.